Tether Gold may trend upward 2.5% by April 20, 30 rates indicates. Let's kick things off by looking at the latest price movement. At the time of this recording, Tether Gold shows a 0.6% decline and is trading close to $4,778.90. Let's explore what the experts are forecasting. 30 rates' data implies a move to $4,901 by tomorrow, about 2.5% higher than today. Tether Gold might reach $4,856.64, according to Gov Capital Collector, about 1.6% above current price. CoinCodex notes it may drop toward $4,772.48, an estimated fall of 0.1%. Another outlook from Digital Coin Price sees Tether Gold heading downward to $4,734.97, a drop of approximately 0.9%. And in closing coin data flow sees the price dipping to $4,541.04 by tomorrow, 5% below where it is now. This is the strongest return scenario we've reviewed. That's your full analyst set. Let's go deeper. Let's now review the key metrics behind each forecast. Looking at the projections, the market could shift between a drop of 5% and a rise of 2.5%. That makes CoinDataFlow the leader with the highest projected return with 5% gain in value by April 20. This means you could collect between $1 and $50 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probability, CoinCodex ranks highest with a 72.5% chance of success. Based on all 5 forecasts, I've pulled together a single consensus scenario. Consensus expectation put Tether Gold almost unchanged, around $4,761.23. Let's break it down. The consensus average implies a 0.4% decline by tomorrow. That translates into your capital growing by approximately 0.4% too. If you put in 1,000, the move might result in around $4 gained. And overall, the chance of this consensus forecast proving accurate is near 69.4%. Coming up, let's find out what analysts are projecting for the 3-day horizon. The short-term stance from 30 rates is also optimistic. Likewise, Gov Capital Collector sees the price heading upward in the days ahead. For this short horizon, CoinCodex describes the market as flat, with little scope for variation. Digital Coin Price highlights a bearish short-term picture. A drop is meanwhile expected by CoinDataFlow, reinforcing the downside view. Consensus estimates show Tether Gold is set to stay flat, with minimal changes expected. Altogether, 60% of forecasts suggest Tether Gold could move lower. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Let's compare them with the actual numbers. As a result, the verified closing price was $4,776. With the market moving this way, the majority of forecasts were correct. Traders Union had the most spot on prediction. Now let's set it in order. As we can see, only one forecast fit the daily range. For ROI performance, several analysts achieved gains, but coin price forecast stood highest. And now on screen is the full fact check summary. A quick look at how the forecasts actually performed. As indicated in the data, Digital Coin Price achieved minus 0.2% ROI and $61.51 accuracy. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest to the actual move. Now we'll see how the expected returns for tomorrow differ across several coins, including Tether Gold. In this ranking, Tether Gold falls below the leader as SUI holds 1.6% expected performance. For now, Tether Gold is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies, but a detailed comparison with many more will follow soon on my website and Telegram channel. If you like the idea of checking several analysts at once, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next review.